So here we are creating block printed tea towels, and these are 100% cotton unbleached, so some nice eco-friendly fabric, and we're spicing these up by adding these block prints to it. I hand carved this. It's a red oak, so this was based off of one of my own illustrations, and then I carved it into this rubber block, and now you can see here I am adding some fabric ink to the block, rolling it on there, and then I am placing it on the tea towel and then rolling over it with equal pressure with a rolling pin. Some people use some nice brayers or other flat, heavy objects to keep that even pressure on to transfer the ink. And you lift off and voila, you have a cool leaf. And then I just kind of repeat that over and over again in different locations to decorate my tea towel. You can do this with all sorts of things. It doesn't have to be with leaves. It can be with flowers, with birds, with whatever your heart desires. Abstract designs. As long as you have the imagination for it, you can carve it onto your block and then press it onto your fabric. This is also a really great way to upcycle old towels and give things a new life instead of just throwing things out or getting rid of them. Here I am going to show you a little more in depth of what it's going to look like, because the first time that I started putting ink on my block, I made it very thin and I didn't quite understand what was going on. So you can see here, as I'm putting the ink, I'm rolling it out on my block, I have peaks, like little tiny ridges that are forming. And those peaks, that texture is what you want across your whole print. The part that you want to come out in color, you want to have that nice texture. And that will allow it to stick and transfer properly to your fabric. So now here I am showing you really what it looks like when I take the block and put it on the fabric. How placement is a little important. You're looking at your design, and then again you want that even pressure. I hold one side of the block down while rubbing the rolling pin over top. That way the block itself doesn't move underneath the brayer or the rolling pin. Then finally, the last finishing touches are me adding, of course you want your artist signature on your piece. And here I add my name, The Art of Ecology.